AudioLink XT has an indicator light at the top right corner. A pulsing green light indicates that AudioLink XT is switched on. A pulsing orange light indicates that AudioLink XT is switched on, but has a low battery that will need to be charged soon. A constant orange light shows that AudioLink XT is currently charging. A constant green light shows that AudioLink XT is fully charged and ready to use. A fast blinking connection symbol shows that AudioLink XT is in Bluetooth pairing mode and is ready to be paired with Sonnet 3, for example. A slow pulsing connection symbol indicates that AudioLink XT has an active connection with a Bluetooth device. The connection symbols will light up indicating that AudioLink XT is successfully paired with your audio processor. A slow pulsing connection symbol indicates that AudioLink XT is streaming to the corresponding audio processor. If your audio processor has switched off, for example due to a low battery, a fast pulsing connection symbol on one or both sides will be shown. An illuminated mic button indicates that AudioLink XT is streaming sound from its remote microphone. An illuminated mix button indicates that you are hearing mixed input from AudioLink XT and your audio processor microphones. By pressing the button, the light will disappear, and you will only hear sound from AudioLink XT.